Hello, this is Group 11 and this is our project about the 5G and the future of communications. Our names are Julia Pérez Cortijo, Gonzalo Navarro, Mateo Medem, Paula Pérez and Gonzalo González. So, today we're going to talk about the future of 5G and how it is revolutionizing telecommunications with ultra-fast data speeds, low latency and the ability to connect millions of devices. This technology is pivotal in industries like healthcare, smart cities, and industrial automation. Huawei, a leader in telecommunications, has driven the global adoption of 5G, especially in Asia, Europe, and Africa. Through innovative technologies and significant research investments, despite geographical challenges, Huawei continues to lead in smart city solutions and rural connectivity. There is a lot of information out there about 5G. This is why it is crucial to know how to retrieve reliable and filtered information. Between the information we found, we have 3 articles, 2 conference papers, 1 blog, and 1 chapter of a book. After completing the search and refinement process, we evaluated a total of 9 articles, out of which 3 were selected based on their relevance, quality, contribution to the research, and the recognition of all the authors. These selected articles were carefully reviewed to ensure they met the necessary criteria for inclusion, forming the foundation for the research and analysis that followed. This is Mendeley. This is where we stored all of our information. The ones marked with a flag are the ones we use. For example, this is the first one. We used the future digital, smart and sustainable cities in the wake of 6G. This one talks about the future of 5G, which is 6G. As you can see, this is a 2021 article, so it is up to date. The second one is this one, millimeter wave, massive, MIMO performance analysis for private underground line communications, 2024. This one is even more updated than the other one. This one is toward an open trust establishment infrastructure for future network, motivations, models, and technologies, 2024 as well. Another 2024 article, this is massive MIMO technology, a key advancement in shaping communication networks for the 5G Plus era. Now we are going to show 2 examples of how we retrieve information using 2 different techniques called Google Advanced Search and IEEE Explorer. The first one is going to be Google Advanced Search. Here, as you can see, we used Boolean operators in order to filter the search. We kept putting some filters and we limited the search to IEEE.org. That's the article we used in our paper. That one. Now we're gonna give an example of the search criteria for the second page we used. This one is IEEE Explorer. In this one, we used the Boolean operator OR, as you will see in a few seconds, to limit our search. There is where we used the Boolean operator OR, as well as the AND operators on the previous criteria. Here we filter the year from 2022 to 2025 in order to have more actual articles or information. Now we have to filter by conferences and the year again. Conferences. and that's the article we used. There we have it. Now, for the blog, we went directly to the Huawei webpage. This is Huawei blog. Huawei is one of the best in the tech industry, making huge innovations and advancements in the tech industry and 5G in particular. So, to find the article, we looked for 5G inside Huawei's webpage for the blogs. And we decided to go for this article. This blog, sorry. That one. So this is how we got all of our articles, conferences, blogs, and every piece of information we used or we would use for a 5G project. We then put everything in Mendeley, and Mendeley really made our lives so much easier, just having a place where we can store everything. Then once here, we looked through all of the articles we decided to go for, and we made the choice to go for the ones that you can see selected in the screen. And Mendeley is also a great tool for referencing the articles. Here in our paper, we have a bibliography segment where you can see where we got every piece of information we used for the project. And this was made so much easier thanks to Mendeley.